Hello students, welcome to the English class. How are you? Hope you are doing well. In the last session we have learned about tense. और टेंस में हमने पढ़ा था सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, जिसे हम प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट के नाम से भी जानते हैं. In today's session we will continue with the tense. For this I'll show you some stick figures and you have to say what is happening in this stick figure. Let's begin. It's a very fun activity. Hope you will enjoy it. This is first stick figure and you have to say what is happening here. Okay, a boy is playing football. Very good. In the next stick figure, you have to see what is happening here. A boy is walking. Can you guess what is happening here? Oh wow, very good. An old man is going. In the next stick figure, you can find out what is happening here. He is sitting on a chair. This one definitely you can guess. Yes, very nice. A boy is reading a book. Very good, bachon. The last one, can you guess what is happening here? Yes, a boy is jumping or maybe dancing. Okay, so very nice. You have guessed all the stick figure correctly. तो अभी जितना स्टिक फिगर से आपने वर्ड्स गेस किए, अब उसे वन बाय वन देखते हैं कि वो वर्ड्स क्या हैं और ये अपने किस फॉर्म में है. सबसे पहले हमने देखा था प्लेइंग. ही इज प्लेइंग फुटबॉल. सो यू हैव टू नोटिस द अंडरलाइन वर्ड्स. प्लेइंग. ही इज वॉकिंग. The second stick figure shows walking. An old man is going. Can you remember the third stick figures? The old man is going. And you have to notice the word going. He is sitting on a chair. The word is sitting. He is reading a book. The fourth stick figure shows a boy is reading a book. And the last one, he is jumping. So, can you see the underlined words playing, walking, going, sitting, reading and jumping? ये words अपने fourth form में हैं. ये verb है और verb का चौथा भाग है. ये means play से playing बना, उसी तरह से walk से वॉकिंग बना, गो से गोइंग और सिट बन गया आपका सिटिंग, रीड बिकम्स रीडिंग एंड जंप बिकम्स जंपिंग. जो जंप है वो पहला फॉर्म है, लेकिन जो जंपिंग बना वो है वर्ब का चौथा फॉर्म. तो आज हम लोग जो पढ़ेंगे वो है प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस. We will learn present continuous tense. Here we will see the use of verb for. And do you know present continuous is also known as present imperfect or present progressive. ज़्यादातर हम इसमें रहा है, रहे हैं, रही है को देखते हैं. Now we will see the objectives of the lesson. At the end of this lesson, learners will be able to use present continuous in context. Learners will identify helping verbs. Learners will identify stative verb. Learners will be able to write and speak sentences appropriately. Learners will discover tense form. So बच्चों, आज हम क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? टाइम एंड टेंस. हमें पता है ये 3 तरह के होते हैं, प्रेजेंट टेंस, पास्ट टेंस और फ्यूचर टेंस. हमने लास्ट क्लास में क्या जाना था? प्रेजेंट टेंस का फर्स्ट फॉर्म, दैट इज प्रेजेंट indefinite, or you can say simple present. In today's session, we will continue with the class present continuous. इसके और दूसरे नाम हैं present progressive और present imperfect. Students, present continuous को और अच्छे से समझने के लिए let's do some more activity. This is a live situation. What are you doing? What I am doing. Let's start with the first sentence. A teacher is teaching at present. Do you know I am teaching you? So, a teacher is teaching at present. What you are doing? You are watching TV this morning. All of you are just listening to me. I am speaking and you are listening to me. So the third one is all of you are just listening to me. Currently, I am taking your class. Currently, I am taking your class. Okay, she is writing now. Maybe some of you are writing. So she is writing now. You are studying at the moment. What are you doing? You are studying at the moment. Okay, let's find out few more words in these sentences. The first word has a word at present. The second one, this morning. The third one is just. In the fourth sentence, you can see currently. The fifth one, now. And the last one, at the moment. What do you think? What is happening here? Can you see all these sentences? There is an action going on while I am speaking to you. जब मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, ये चीज़ें हो रही हैं. This is a live situation. So, in this way, you can use present continuous tense. One more thing, keep it in your mind, verb forms. In all the sentences, you can see verbs are used in its V4, yani verb plus ing form, like teaching, watching, listening to, taking, writing, studying. Now, you can see in a different way. चलो इसे आगे हम कुछ अलग तरीके से देखते हैं. हमारी दोस्त है माला और ये माला की कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ हैं जो हमने नोटिस करी हैं. What is Mala doing? She is studying English these days. She is watching a movie. She is reading a novel. She is staying at a hotel. Now you can see this action is not actually happening at the time of speaking, but it is under process. You can say ये temporary actions हैं जो लगातार नहीं हो रहे हैं, इन दिनों बस ये हो रहे हैं.